Hello to all my friends. I welcome you back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'll be talking to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a BMW 328i with a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine from the years 2006 to 2013. Here we see an example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of these cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car. We open the hood and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. As some of you know, this vehicle has an inline six-cylinder engine. They are arranged vertically. They are numbered as follows. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is located on the radiator side. Then, cylinder number 5 fires. After that, cylinder number 3 fires. Then number 6. This one is located near the windshield. Next, cylinder number 2 fires, and finally, cylinder number 4. Well, folks, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.